guys, welcome back, and today we're making delicious date smoothie. It's super easy and it's healthy because there's no added sugar. So let's check out the recipe. So let's get started with our date smoothie, and for that we'll only need 2 ingredients. Yes, only 2 ingredients. We'll need 5 to 6 dates which are sweet and soft. First we're going to blend up our dates with some milk. We're going to add some milk and make a smooth paste. Now let's blend it. Look, right now the paste is pretty thick and it has a lot of chunks of dates, so I'm going to add in a little more of milk. Let's blend it again. Look at it, guys, it has a nice and smooth texture. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add rest of the milk and we're going to mix it up. You can mix it up whether with a spoon or you can blend it up once again. I'm going to go blend this up. Look at it, guys, it looks absolutely delicious. Now I'm going to pour it in my nice jar. We're going to add some ice and serve it cold. It is best served cold.